Audi has introduced the latest version of the A3 Sportback TFSI plug-in hybrid, delivering increased power and efficiency. The new 1.5-liter TFSI Evo 2 petrol engine replaces the older 1.4-liter TFSI, bringing advanced features like improved cooling and a higher compression ratio of 11.5 to 1. These updates help reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Additionally, the electric motor now produces 85 kilowatts of power and 330 newton meters of torque. One of the key improvements is the nearly doubled battery capacity, now at 25.7 kilowatt-hours gross, offering up to 143 kilometers of electric driving range, according to WLTP standards. The vehicle intelligently switches between electric and hybrid modes, allowing the driver to maximize efficiency or opt for a more powerful performance. For the first time, Audi is offering fast charging for a plug-in hybrid, with up to 50 kilowatts of direct current charging, enabling an 80% charge in under 30 minutes. The vehicle also supports alternating current charging at up to 11 kilowatts. With prices starting from €44,200 for the A3 Sportback 40 TFSI and €47,700 for the more powerful 45 TFSI, Audi's latest hybrid models blend efficiency and performance with stylish updates, making them a compelling choice for drivers seeking versatility and sustainability.